video, my key fob died, that kind of sucks. It's going to be like $50 to $100 for the dealership to pay or to fix or to basically replace a battery, but I'll show you guys how to do it. Press this button and it'll pop that key out, and there's going to be a hole right here, and you just get a flathead screwdriver, you stick it in there and you twist and it'll pop open, and then you just go all the way through and it'll come out like that. This little piece right here, be careful of it. There's a spring, it's a plastic piece, it just goes back in here, no biggie, just make sure you don't lose that. This typical watch battery, I don't know what it is, I forgot. So yeah, basically the battery is like that, you pop it out, and it is this kind of battery. You can, let me focus that real quick. It's whatever that number is, CR2032. It says made in Indonesia. Basically just Google it. You can get it at the dollar store for like $1 versus paying 50 to 100 something for